Our Congress government, in fact, one of the reason of we losing our government in 2012 was also casinos, because Manohar Parrikar took a candle march and he was always opposing the casino. One specific thing what he was opposing was the gaming commission. He was clearly claiming that the Home Minister, Mr. Ravi Naik, was taking money. Then he was receiving Hafta. Drugs, you forget. He was drugs, he could not do anything. But I want to ask him now, if he was receiving Hafta, how much is he receiving now? And mind you, all these casinos, we have lost is because we brought those casinos, we brought those things. And now, what is the government doing? That raid what is conducted is not because of all irregularities. It is on coincidence, because one Hawala fellow was caught in Delhi. That is why. Otherwise, it's not a raid on the casino. Till today, Manohar Parrikar has 10 years have passed. Give me one day he has raided a casino. Come on. I challenge him to tell me that one day he has raided a casino. Present 10 years BJP government is there. Why are you going as a Congress? I'll tell you one thing. If we come to power, we will not allow these things. At least I will see that these things don't allow.
इतले मजगती नावेलचो आमदार लुईजीन सध्या ताच्या मतदारसंघात ॲक्सिडेंट जावपी सुवातींचे ऑफिसरांक घेवन इन्स्पेक्शन करता. तळावली वाठारात खंय स्ट्रीट लायट नाशिल्ल्यान ड्रग्स पेडलर आनी बाकीचे नाका आशिल्ल्या वेव्हारांक रान मेकळे.
एकदम करून तेलावलींचे आनी वारगे लोक एकदम अपसेट आहाय, कित्याक रातच्यो कांय ज्यो वस्तू जाताय दे आर व्हेरी बॅड. देर इज अ ड्रग, ड्रिंक्स आनी खूब वस्तू जाताय. देखून आमी जात तितले बेगीन आमगेल्या पॉवर मिनिस्टराक सांगिल्लो ह्यो लायटो आर विथ द गोवा स्टेट इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेव्हलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन त्यो ट्रान्सफर करता.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गवस आनी सावयो डायस.